Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by waking both devices and getting essentials ready. Plug a quality USB cable into the Venue's USB data port, or pair via Bluetooth and enable Wi-Fi on your phone for wireless Android Auto. On your phone, grant Android Auto permissions, location, microphone, and contacts. Otherwise, features won't appear. Once done, unlock the phone, accept the on-screen prompts, and look for the Android Auto tile on the Venue's display. This is the only time you should wait for connections to initialize. You will now make the connection reliable and quick. Tap the Android Auto tile in the Venue. If wired, the phone should auto-launch the app, and if wireless, complete the Bluetooth pairing and accept the Wi-Fi hotspot transfer. Make Android Auto the default for USB connections on the phone and allow notifications and media access so calls and navigation work. Once paired, set the Venue audio source to Android Auto and tweak display/volume settings so voice guidance and music are balanced for driving. You're ready to use Android Auto in real driving situations. Press the steering wheel voice button for Google Assistant, ask for routes, calls, or texts to keep hands on wheel. Make a test navigation to confirm voice prompts come through car speakers and save frequent destinations. Once done, organize apps on the Android Auto launcher for quick access. If something fails, restart the phone, swap to a known good USB data cable, or remove and repair the Venue from Bluetooth settings. This resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.